Hello students, welcome in mathematics class. Here I am Upen Kumar Sinha, Department of Mathematics from Bhagavad Vidyapeeth, Chhapra. Dear student, today we will start the chapter coordinate geometry for class 10. Before to start, just recall some previous knowledge. When we draw two lines perpendicular to each other, then the plane is known as Cartesian plane, and the horizontal line is indicated by x dash to x, and vertical line is indicated by y to y dash. The point where the two lines intersect each other is known as origin, and the horizontal line is known as theta. Vertical line is known as ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate together known as coordinates. Abscissa and ordinate together known as coordinates. As you know, from the origin, right side from the origin, the positive values are indicated, and left side negative values are indicated. Also, above we indicate positive value and below we indicate negative values. Also, the two lines divide the region into four parts, and each part is known as quadrant. So this one is known as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. The sign of first quadrant is plus and plus. The sign of second quadrant is minus plus, third quadrant is minus minus, and fourth quadrant is plus minus. अब यहाँ भी हम ऐसे क्लियर करना चाहूँगा. सबसे पहले ordered pair. What are ordered pair? When two numbers are written in a specific form, suppose A and B are two numbers, and we write it in a specific form AB in this way. This is known as ordered pair, and the first place, the value of first place indicates the value of x-axis, and second place indicates the value of y-axis. So the value of x-axis here positive and y-axis also positive, so plus plus, like that in quadrant 2, 3 and 4. Now in this class we have to learn in coordinate geometry distance formula, section formula and area of triangle. But area of triangle is removed for this session. So first of all we will discuss about the distance formula. The distance formula says that the distance between the two points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 is given by AB is equal to root under x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. आइए हम इसका explanation देखते हैं. First of all, we draw two lines perpendicular to each other and indicated x-axis and y-axis as x dash to x and y to y dash, and O is origin. A x1 y1, B x2 y2 are two points, and we have to find the distance between A. For this we draw AC perpendicular to OX, DB perpendicular to OX, and AE perpendicular to BD. अब आप यहाँ ध्यान रखिए, the coordinate at point C, the coordinate of at point C is x1, B is x2, and E will be y1. ठीक है, अब आप यहाँ ध्यान दोगे कि यदि हम लोग को डिस्टेंस निकालना हो AC, तो AC is equal to CD and CD is equal to 2D minus OC is equal to x2 minus x1. DE को फाइंड करना चाहेंगे तो D is equal to DD माइनस DE करेंगे और इधर ये y2 माइनस y1 होगा। अब आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि राइट एंगल है BEA इन राइट एंगल BEA बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से। देन यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं जो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है तो बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम हम लोग यहाँ पर AB को फाइंड कर सकते हैं। तो बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम AB is equal to under AE square plus BE square is equal to A is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square। तो इस तरह से यदि हम लोगों के पास 2 पॉइंट A और B दिए गए हैं तो हम लोग उनके बीच की डिस्टेंस को फाइंड कर सकते हैं। अब जो है A x y and origin 0, 0, then the distance between the point and origin is given by AO is equal to x square plus y square। ये हुआ। कुछ और हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं यहाँ पर पॉइंट के बारे में। सबसे पहले सपोज कीजिए if we have 3 points and the coordinates of the 3 points are also given, then how we can say the 3 points belongs to which type of triangle? Suppose A, B and C, 3 points are given and their coordinates are also given. Then we find firstly AB, BC and AC. AB, BC and AC. If the length of any two sides are equal, then the triangle will be isosceles triangle. If the length of all sides are equal, then the triangle will be equilateral triangle. If we have to find the given points belongs to right angle triangle, then we find again the 3 sides. If the sum of the square of any 2 sides is equal to the sum of the square is equal to the square of the third side, then the triangle will be right triangle. Now, if the 4 vertices of a quadrilateral are given ABCD, सपोज करेंगे कि अगर कोई क्वाड्रिलेटरल है ABCD जिसके 4 वर्टिसेस दिए गए हैं, देन फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टीज के हिसाब से हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं यहाँ पर। यदि अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल हो जाए, फ्रॉम अपोजिट साइड्स मतलब हम लोग AB को फाइंड करेंगे, BC फाइंड करेंगे, CD को फाइंड करेंगे एंड DA को फाइंड करेंगे। इफ अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल, then the triangle, then the quadrilateral is parallelogram. If diagonals are also equal, that means opposite sides as well as diagonals are equal, then the quadrilateral will be rectangle. If all sides are equal, then the quadrilateral will be rhombus. If diagonals as well as sides are equal, then the quadrilateral will be a square. So these are properties, आप इसको यूज करेंगे। हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में मिलेंगे। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।